here we go. I put Nulla on 4 low. It's really a track crossing the border. That's what one overlander told us. It's a track. Nulla can do this, no problem.
Okay, merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup.
I think we're gonna go this way. Nulla's wide.
We think that that's Guinea ahead.
Oh, it's gotta be here.
Yeah, I hope it's challenging track.
We are
in Guinea!
Guinea!
Yay!
Yay!
Guinea! We made it to Guinea!
That was an obstacle course.
The easiest border crossing ever. The problem was the road in and out of the border crossing. It's unbelievable. There was boulders, rocks, stones, ruts in the road.
It was unbelievable border
Hello?
crossing. Okay, when you cross the border,
Yeah.
it's literally a 4x4 track. I had to put Nulla on low 4, and people were talking about that.
But we didn't realize what they meant.
They said track, it's a track. I thought the road coming to the border was a track, and I was saying, oh, this is not bad. We've done this. I mean, we've done this driving in Africa. Some of them worse than this. I realized what they're talking about is from that border, that's an obstacle course.
But we did it. High five.
Yeah!
Yay!
Whoa! Let's go this way. Seems like this is
That looks. What a day we had today. Slow start on a lovely, quiet street in Labé. Then the border drive. Oh my God, the road just became more and more difficult.
until it became a 4-wheel drive track. We spent the night in a village, a Fulani village. It was getting dark. We asked the family if we could park here and spend the night, and they were so friendly. They said, of course, yes, in French. And what a beautiful night. There's a family in their compound. They're still asleep. And Nulla is parked under a boba tree in the grass. It's so beautiful, so fresh. You could hear the animals at night.
We are somewhere before Koundara. It was too late last night, too much of a border crossing, but we're parked in this field. It was a beautiful night, nice bright moon. We were the only ones, I think, in the area with electricity. And now we're ready to pull out to Koundara.
Okay, merci beaucoup. If you look at the road here, you can see somebody got stuck here.
So we have 42 more kilometers, and we now figured out maybe why the phone keeps turning off. It's like 101 degrees. I would go left as far as you can. Backtracking, come straight with me. So we are here, and we need to go along this ridge. It's just, it is just a wild experience. Wow.
My God!
It's a real asphalt road.
I haven't seen that since we left Guinea-Bissau. Wow, look at this.
And it doesn't have
I don't even know.
size holes.
I don't even know if Nulla's gonna know how to drive here. Okay, 500 cows. 500 cows for the car? Ah, okay. Okay. Merci beaucoup.
We are surprised by the road. It's tarmac.
This is M5, are you sure?
Yeah, it's in 5. It's
What
in
happened to
5.
the road?
Oh my God, still have an hour to go. It's just 28 miles, but on this,
No, 28 miles, that's a long way.
we are climbing a mountain pass, it seems. But Nulla's doing it. So it's to go first because he's on the edge. The pass is narrow. Wow. We are going around this, over to that tip, and then around that mountain. Hello! Hello! Nulla's covered in red dust, and we are now covered in red dust. Good job! Major production underway here. Oh my God, they're leveling the road. What do you think?
A freeway made out of dirt. We're in third gear.
Third gear, go Nulla. It's smooth, it's beautiful, we love it. Oh my God, a real road, Moto, look. Wow, 4 wheels on tarmac. Wow.
Oh my
Oh
God.
my gosh. the
Taking off the
difference.
4-wheel drive.
Wow.
Woo! Look at this. We might make it to our destination tonight.
We are here. We met a guy. He's volunteered to let us park right here. And we have arrived.
Okay, good. The whole village is giving Nulla spot treatment right now. It's coming from the well. Oh, c'est bon, c'est bon. In Fula, how do you say thank you in Fula?
Jarama, Jarama.
Amadou, merci. Merci, merci. Merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup.
Whoa. Okay, he did that. Down and up.
That was a really different and interesting stop. We were in this little town and we slept right there at the motorcycle wash. Met a lot of people, beautiful people, walked around town. Just really wonderful.
Crossing our fingers that this is the road to Conakry that will stay in this state. It's a beautiful, newish road. Dalaba, the home of Miriam Makeba when in exile from the United States and South Africa. This avenue is called Avenue Miriam Makeba. We are arriving at Miriam Makeba's home. She was in the United States and returned home for her mother's funeral when she found out that the South African government had revoked her passport, and the Ghanaian government accepted her here in Dalaba.
Good morning.
Moto, you ready?
I'm ready. Let's do it.
Let's do it. Very tight road. Hope nobody comes up the other side. What's going on? They're all stopped. There's 2 trucks stuck side by side and nobody can get past them. So we have decided to go down the hill like everybody else on the side of the road. Here comes Amato. Got a big lean. Now he's going up. Good job. We would have been waiting there for a very long time. Well, Nulla had Another test, and she passed it with flying colors. All of this truck are lined up going down the mountain because they cannot fit along the side of the road. We are now joining N1 from N5. So we're leaving N5. Oh my goodness, this is a breakthrough, Amado. This is N1. We take it south to Conakry, directly south to Conakry. The load is falling off. Is there somebody on top of that car? Oh, someone's in the trunk. We are getting brave. It's a beautiful road so far. So traveling N1, we have left the potholes and the mountain climbing of the north. So we're actually doing perfect speed on this road. We have arrived. We're going to drive Nulla down this pathway to the giant tree at the end. There's supposed to be a waterfall and a pool from the falls that you can swim in.
What a beautiful place to wake up to after a long drive yesterday. And then we ended up here, a waterfall.
Wow.
Okay, today what we're having is the orange.
Mango. Fresh from the tree. Goodbye to this beautiful place. Today's a big day.
We get to Conakry.
Conakry.
Yep. Yep.
Conakry, onward.
Onward.
A lot of trucks going north. These are construction bags, aren't they?
Yeah. Like sand, salt.
A beautiful road going through Kindia. We can tell getting closer to Conakry because there are tuk-tuks. We're going down, further down. Ooh, going down very fast. This seems to be the place to buy some fruit, but where are you going to stop?
Over here. Welcome to Conakry. The market. Could you imagine going there? Probably everything is in there. Amazing. The commerce that goes in there. The number of people that are going to the market for their food today. Look at that, China. China and Guinea cooperation. Nulla's going to squeeze in there, guy. Come on, man.
Wow. Okay. Ooh, Amado, good driving.
Roundabout in Guinea-Conakry.
Roundabout. Stuck. He's stuck or not stuck. I don't know if he's stuck. Oh, tuk-tuk is stuck. Wow.
What happened?
There's dispute.
There's a horn dispute.
Horn dispute. Who has the biggest horn? Oh, you're taking pictures.
Hey!
Everyone's taking pictures of Nulla.
Okay.
Yeah. It looks like two trucks ran into each other at the roundabout.
Yeah, we need a horn. Nulla don't have that kind of horn. Through the gas station.
Through the gas station.
I think we should just make
We
a
gotta
right.
take a right.
Oh, wait,
if
we
we
can
can
make
go
it
there, it'd be great. Are you going there? Okay. We can go with the truck. Conakry.
Okay, Nulla, you did it again.
Every Every kilometer is an adventure.
Wow, wow.
Oh, wow.